Okay, Dave the Rave, roving the storms here. This is me at Black Rocks, looking out over Whiting Bay. What is it, 8 in the evening? Extremely windy. Now I've got the camera in front of me and I've got my back to the wind, so I'm hoping you can hear me because I'm sheltering the phone from the wind, just so you can get the lights of Whiting Bay. Oh, that wave was a bit close. I've been struggling to stand up right this second. It's just come in. This is nice, just give me a chance to hold this camera still. Whoa. Okay, pull the camera back a bit. I don't know if you can see the waves, you probably can. You might not be able to hear me anymore either. But anyway, I'm going to point this into the direction of the wind now, and the waves. Almost got me that time. I'll just get my foot again. Right, I've turned around now. I'm not falling over now. Hope you can hear me. Nearly knocked me over. That's me looking towards Kildon, and that's where the wind's coming from. Spray that thing. Oh. Struggling again. Oh. Jeez. Yep, that's pretty strong. Right, we'll turn back round. Hopefully without losing the balance. There. Oh. It's just over. Whiting Bay's in front of us once again. Oh, we're struggling. Oh, bloody hell. There, that's Hayden Lodge. In the centre, you probably can't see it. Nah, it's too full. It's too bloody. Never mind. Okay, that's what it's like standing at Black Rocks. Cheers!